Video I'm going to show you one way to record your screen and your face at the same time on your MacBook. Now the first thing that you won't kind of see because it's going on in the background is I'm going to be using QuickTime. So the first thing that I actually have opened is QuickTime, which I already have open. And when I'm there, I go to File, New Screen Recording, and then I jump into the settings and select the option at the bottom where it's record the entire screen. So right now that's running in the background and you'll kind of have to take my word for it that it's running. But this is somewhat of a workaround rather than downloading something. I mean, this is something we know will work on every machine. So for example, Photo Booth. Now if I were to open up Photo Booth, and again this is somewhat of a workaround because then we don't have to download any special software. But I'm just going to have this going on my screen and use the rest of my screen to record both my face and what I'm talking about on the screen. I mean, another thing you could do is you could do a live stream, but for now we're just going to focus on, for example, what I was asked to do in this slide is to record my screen and my face at the same time. So some of it would depend on what you're doing, but I wanted to show you one way to do it without any fancy software. So this is using built-in tools that are already on the MacBook, which would be Photo Booth, and whatever it is I want to talk to my user group, student, staff about on the other screen. So hopefully that makes sense. I know it's kind of might be an odd workaround, but sometimes the things that make the most sense are the things that just make the most sense. Just keep it simple. So this would be with Photo Booth and whatever else I'm doing, and Chrome, sorry, not Chrome, but QuickTime going in the background.